Oh, wow, that's okay. So, it has been several weeks since we've done this, of course. Um, what do we need? That's rule number or the priority one. I can't. I think we might be doing this. We might have been doing variables, or we might be doing. No, I think it was variables. Trees. No, we couldn't. We can unlock that right now, but I think variables was the thing. I don't know. Which of these sounds more appealing to you?
Okay, what do we need to unlock variables?
We need 200 hay and 50 carrots, which we have almost 900 carrots because I believe we were screwing with that carrot loop for a long time, trying to get it to where it was good. And I think we got it good-ish. Because if I remember correctly, this is the one that we were kind of having a problem with.
Probably.
So right now it's this one is going until it harvests 300 hay, which I'm gonna let it do that. And the movement, I think this one, the movement was broken, and I don't know, I can't remember if we got it working because this one, the movement is doing exactly what I would like it to do right now, which is moving north, and then once it harvests the row, then it moves east. So now it's planting bushes. So yeah, we fixed this one, I guess. I think at one point we might have wanted to integrate all of these together.
I mean, it would be nice to just type in or to change a variable to like what our target is, and then the shit just goes.
Mm-hmm.
And we just that's probably why we wanted to unlock some variables.
That could be. I can't. Excuse me. Like it's been a while since we played this game and since I edited the last video for it. So it seems that we have this our 300 wood, 300 grass, or our grass and wood section of code good, right? And our carrots are good. So is there a way that we can reference these? Because I know that we talked about this last time, where you can reference other sections of code in other sections of code. That way you don't have to retype the entire thing. So is there a way that we could reference this? Or these? Or both of these?
Go to the unlocks.
Variables.
We want functions. That's basically what we're after.
Okay, well, we'll get that here. Actually, we can unlock variables right now. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay. Can be thought as named containers that can hold a value. The equals operator is used to declare a variable. Bless you. Seemingly, okay, so is this kind of what we want? Kind of?
Variables are nicer to work with than what we're currently doing. Like we don't have any variables at all.
Okay.
Obviously, we just unlocked them. They're just nicer to work with. So like in our 300 wooden grass, we can just set a variable for like we don't have to do items, num items, hay, all that. We could switch that out for like while hay is, the variable name, like hay is less than 300, and we could set that variable to anything.
But we have to declare a variable. So if and we wanted to do that, right? So just for funsies, we would still do this. Yes. Oops. Okay.
Yep.
And then we'd still do our same movement stuff from before, right? And then we would do while, or no, then we need to declare a variable. So we'll say A.
You typically declare your variables at the very top.
Oh, so like before the while loop?
After the you could. I think you can do it before the while loop.
So A or A.
I'll scroll down. Actually, no.
Just items dot A. So it would be while hey or well A. Well, let me see here. Is greater than or equal to 300. Oops. And then we do this.
Less than or equal to.
Oh, whoops.
You typed the right thing. You said the wrong thing.
Oh. Okay. And then we do this and that. Yeah? No, it's not working correctly. Because we have 300, it should just stop. So it might be after the while loop. Hold on, let's read here. Okay. Let me. Oh. You can resize them. It just doesn't come up with the atypical thing. Oh, I'm so stupid.
Switch. Change it to D equals num items dot hey.
Underscore, right? I think.
Yep.
Is what it is. Underscore item. This like that, and then put in parentheses.
It looks like there's no space between num items and the parentheses on the left.
Whoops. Okay.
There you go.
Okay, so for instance, so that's D. Can I switch that to A?
Yeah, it'll be fine. You could type out the word hey.
Yeah,
Like, and-
it probably will be easier to do that. A, and then A. Whoops. Okay, so okay, and then well, let's spend some of this. So we want functions anyway. So okay. Whoops. Use the def keyword to define a new function. Def f arg1 arg2 equal false. Okay, so it's doing its business, right? I want to try to I think we got the variables figured out, so I'm gonna get rid of the variables unless you think we need it.
It just depends on, because I know we were going to expand the farm, but we wanted like greater control of everything that we were planting.
Yes. So what I would like to do, it's still going. Why is it still going? So we're gonna reference carrots. All right. Oops. All right. So we'll also reference the wood right here. Which that should be right. Whoops. And then rather than num items wood, it will be just wood. Well, before we do that, we'll go ahead and clear. Then we'll do this. Make sure that the carrots are doing what they need to.
We also need the variable for the carrot seeds, because we have to trade for them.
Okay, that is doing exactly what it needs to. What do you mean we have to have a variable carrot seeds?
If we want to be able to track every single thing, we need to also track carrot seeds. That's all.
So carrot. Can I put a space?
Underscore seed.
Underscore.
No, you want to use underscores.
seed equal num items dot carrot seed. Shit. So
did you want to purchase the upgrade for like the next expansion upgrade?
Yeah, we can do that. Hold on. Let me just, I think if I put it here. Well, wait, no, we have to, I just realized something. So I think I just realized something. So why
Did
are
you
these?
just realize?
What I just realized is I think that for this wood, it's not gonna really work. So we'll see what happens here. Okay, it's doing its thing still in the scheme of things. See if it stops at 300. Which is not stopping. See, that's the other thing that I don't understand is that it should be just stopping and looping, but why is it not stopping?
I don't know.
So if I
wood.
play it again, now it's like, oh, good, but it doesn't stop for some reason. I thought that our movement system was going to be broken. Should I put it here? Because I'm copying, I don't know. So for the carrots, if I wanted to call the carrots, right? Do I copy this section or do I copy all of it?
Well, one of those. It just depends on what you want. Like,
I want them to move in the same way because this is just how we move, right? And it's already here.
Oh, you know what? You should also create a variable for like, we should create like some variables that also track like our targets. So like maybe it's like desired quantity, like desired _ quantity _ wood. Understand what I'm saying?
Run it through me again. Sorry, I was paying attention to what I was changing here.
So we have a static number 300 because that was the goal earlier was 300 for whatever reason.
Yeah.
Instead of having the number 300 be the goal, there wouldn't be a number, it would just be a variable, and then we change the value of that variable whenever we want, and then we don't have to dick with anything else. We change one variable. Like so
it would be like right here we would say goal or something, right?
Yeah, like
or
goal,
target item or target quantity.
Yeah, whatever you want it to be. Yeah, quantity, desired quantity, wood, something like that.
Oh. We'll just do desired quant.
It needs to be like desired quant _ and then like the specific category. So carrots, wood, hay, carrot seeds, whichever one. And since we have 4 of them, technically you'd probably want 4 variables, 1 for each. The reason why I say to do 4 is because there may be times when I don't know if we always want the same number of items at all times. Maybe we don't, maybe we do, but...
So the problem right now is that when I try to run this, it says target quant hay has never been defined. You must assign a value to a variable before using it, which I thought I did right there.
You know what the problem is? Semicolons.
What do you mean?
Colons, rather. You don't have any colons at the end of anything on this.
Well, I thought that we didn't have to on here.
You do.
On all
for like single line items, I think you need to. I think.
So you're saying like that?
Yeah. And you'll get a different error because wood isn't declared. Don't have any code here.
Yeah. See, because the other thing they're quantified, right? Because it's not giving me a thing of that hay isn't defined. It's saying that this isn't defined.
It is. Well, we'll have. No, we just tried that.
What about rather than having individual ones, maybe just one, because they're all 500 anyway.
Yeah, but like it's not going to always be 500 is the point.
Right.
Like you could have 300 of one and 200 of another and 50 of another, and you just change one line, and then it, all your code follows suit.
Did I spell this wrong? Okay, let me just make sure that I didn't spell this wrong. So, yeah, I spelled it wrong somewhere. Also, we can, while it's doing its business, I think we can expand again if you would like to.
Sure.
We can't expand again, but what is it doing? Oh, I think it's because it's still, hold on. I think it's still because it, okay, we have now more than, it's not stopping. That's the thing. It's going until it's, it goes over it for some reason.
Yeah, I think it's because the grass just grows too quickly, I think.
Well, no, it's not harvesting the hay. It's like, so that one, it went over 500 and then stopped at 500 and moved down.
Okay, well, I guess we'll just watch this one.
That's an interesting thing. We'll have to figure that one out. But we have 500 of each now, so what can we do? We can get trees.
What do the carrots upgrade? Or is that just like a...
Increases yields. It just increases the yields.
Oh, well, then we definitely should...
We can hit speeds.
Increase the yield.
Yeah, let's increase the speed. Yeah, so that's important.
Well, how many times can we upgrade it?
Probably theoretically infinite.
No. So now, it costs 350 carrots. So we're low on carrots now. Yeah, just upgrade all the things, spend a bunch of resources, and then we'll start messing with
Alright, that is spent resources. So much for watching. Me and Steve really appreciate it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys have any other suggestions that you would like us to do, or games that you would like us to play, put them down in the comments below. I hope everybody's having a good day, and we'll see you on the next one.